Hey, Luger. Simon. Ugh. Scotty. And then there's, of course, the little two ones. Hey, Gypsy. Scotty. Gentle. Thank you. Hi. Hi, Ellie. Hi, Maya. Look at you guys. Aww. Yeah. Hi, Squirt. Yeah. Look at that little tongue. Look at that little tongue. Hi, Luger. Yeah, look what you done, huh? You gonna get it? Get your ball. This tree right here. It's a scrawny little jack pine, so I'm really not too unhappy about it. It's one that I've been wanting to get rid of anyway. But still, you break your teeth, buddy. Ellie and Lizzie have been playing a lot. Scotty, be nice. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. You don't know what you're doing, do you, Scotty? Hi. Oh. Hi, Maya. Lizzie. Interesting cast of characters.